Operating instructions for MIN 3320. Cycling through display modes. On the main interface, briefly press the right arrow gives button to cycle through the different display modes. You can view the following parameters. Conductivity as per centimeter. Resistance m omega. TDS ppm. Output current mO. Temperature C or degrees Fahrenheit. Entering settings mode. From the main interface, press and hold the set button for 3 seconds to enter the settings menu. Setting the electrode type. Short through the available electrode types. Short press the set button to confirm your selection and proceed to the electrode constant setting. Setting the electrode constant. Short press the OK middle button to move the cursor. Short press the right arrow gives button to adjust the value at the cursor position. The value must be set between 0.8 and 1.2. Press the set key to confirm. This situation occurs because it exceeds or falls below the set specified value. It is sufficient to adjust the value within the specified range. Short press the set button to confirm the value and proceed to the unit selection menu. Selecting the measurement unit. Short press the right arrow gives button to toggle the measurement unit between ppm and SC. Short press the set button to confirm and proceed to the high alarm limit setting. Setting alarm limits and output current steps 6 to 9. The following steps share the same operation. To adjust the value, short press the OK button to move the cursor. Then, short press the right arrow gives button to change the value. To confirm and continue. After setting the value, short press the set button to save and move to the next setting. The settings are completed in this order. High alarm limit, low alarm limit. For mA output calibration, 20 mA output calibration. Exiting settings mode. After setting the 20 mA output value, short press the set button. The meter will save all configurations and return to the main interface.